Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to enable or disable parental control on Google Play Store. Friends, parental control is a good option to control your child access to games, apps and movie on Google Play Store. So to enable or disable parental control, you simply need to open Play Store. In Play Store app, press on the profile icon. Here press on settings. In settings, press on family and here you will find parental controls. Press on it. Now to turn on parental controls, press here. Now you need to create a PIN. After entering PIN, press on OK. Now you need to re-enter your PIN. After re-entering the PIN, press on OK. Now you need to press on apps and games. Now here you can give permissions according to the ratings. Now if you want to permission to 12 plus or 16 plus, then you simply need to press here. After reading it, press understood and press on save. Now to give permissions for films, press on film. Here you can give permission according to the age of the child. To select, press here. After reading, press on understood and select save. Now friends, you have turned on parental control on Google Play Store and also give permissions for apps and games and films according to the age of the child. Now at any point of time, if you want to disable parental controls, then you simply need to follow the same procedure. Press on the profile, go to settings, press on family, press on parental controls and here turn it off. Enter the PIN. After entering the PIN, press OK. Now you have turned off parental controls on Google Play Store. So friends, like this you can very easily enable or disable parental control on Google Play Store. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.